In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the hottest new play-to-earn games called Gemly, where you can win real cash rewards by interacting with this game.
Remember, nothing I talk about in this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money.
Hit the like button, guys. Let's get into today's videos. So here we are over on gemly.gg. Link down below in the description as always. Coming down below, you can see that this is a play-to-earn game. Gemly is an incremental game built on the play-to-earn concept where you can earn real money. Nothing needs to be downloaded to play. You can play all of this straight through your browser. You basically have to go and purchase yourself some mercenaries, varying in price, and you can then go and compete around the world in order to win various prizes. Receive gems every second for destroying various enemies using the full strength of your mercenaries you've recruited. And then obviously your mercenaries, over time, the more you win, the more they gain value as well. So loads of different ways in which you can earn rewards here. Here you can see these are basically the different recruits, okay? And they all come in varying costs, and you're buying them using the gem token or the Gemly token, right? And you can see 250 million gems. Here would be $250. And some of these come in varying costs, okay? So some of them are a little bit less expensive. Some of them here, this one just $7.50. And obviously the higher the value of your mercenary, the better the rewards and the more opportunity you've got to make more gains. So for the player yourself, earning without investment. You don't need to actually invest in order to make earnings, which is really cool, guys. So if you don't have any money, you can go and play this game in order to earn some rewards and then reinvest it back in the game once you start to gain some rewards. The minimum payout amount for a range of payments is only 10 cents, which is actually great, okay? It's significantly lower than many other play-to-earn games. There's lots of good technical support. Okay, so in terms of partners, you can see that first level you get 5%, second level 2.5%, and then for viewing you'll earn 100 gems. Okay, so you'll be able to refer other people to the game in order to earn rewards, and advertising as well. This is very cool, guys. So you can actually make money by advertising with your jet. You can actually earn rewards for watching websites, watching different things as well, and that's really cool, guys. So for $1,000, and the more links you check out, the more rewards and things you're going to get. There's a big community growing all the time, so make sure you go and check them out on Discord and Telegram as well. So you can basically now log in and just create yourself an account. You can see I have deposited myself 50 million gems here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and look at purchasing a mercenary. So what I need to do is click on play, and you can see I've been earning some rewards while I've been away, which is really cool, okay? So what I can see down below is I can go and find different mercenaries and recruit them. So remember, I got 500k tokens. I can go and pick up different recruits, and you can see different levels of these costing different values as well. So for example, this one, a little bit out of my price range right now, but this guy here, let's click on this guy and see if we can recruit him. As you can see, I've just clicked and I've recruited him there. Recruit one of these here and various others, different prices. You can see pretty much I can fill out my whole team with different people here, and you can see that these fill out down the line as we go, and you can see each of these individuals pays a certain percentage per day. Okay, so you can see that the different descriptions that are going on here, different values. Obviously, the higher value ones that I will buy, I'll ultimately get better rewards for them. Okay, so I can come down below. This one you can see I can't afford, so I actually have like 50 million tokens in total, but I can just fill out these and then I can gain some rewards until I effectively run out of money. And you can see by having multiple ones here, I can actually stack up the earnings. So I'll actually get a 16% share of my total damage here. And you can see all the time I'm kind of taking part in all these battles and things going on here. And you can see that this is like the total damaging going on, the enemies I'm destroying, and then the damage per second. So literally every second I'm making rewards now, which is actually really cool. Okay, it's kind of exciting to watch. Obviously, if I then just reinvest it back into these tokens, and obviously then if I just reinvest it back into earning new mercenaries and buying new mercenaries, then I can just continue to gain more and more rewards all the time. Now remember, I talked about different ways in which you can earn. So first of all, we could click here on play. So in order to make different rewards and earn different rewards, guys, I can do other things, okay? So here I can click on website surfing, and you can see I then just have to click on one of these, and I just have to watch a few different videos, and you can see that they're going through this game, there's different tasks and things I can do, and I can earn various rewards. So far it's paid out $208, and there's various deposits and things going on here. If I click back, I can click on quests, and you can see from here I can get gems for free. So if I don't have any money, I can go and complete different quests in order to gain funds. You can see video reviews, posting of payouts, various different things in which I can participate in here. And then global contests, I can get involved in various different contests in order to win different rewards. And you can see the leaderboard and stuff happening down here. So now you can see I've already gained 1.34 thousand tokens, and this is literally increasing every second. So I can just click on collect, and you can see it's already collecting the revenue that I've got here, and then it will just put it back into my account, and I can continue to invest it, or at some point if I want I can just cash that out. This has potential to actually make quite a bit of cash, guys. So I've literally put in $50, and we can see the rate at which it's increasing all the time. This is like booming pretty quick. Okay, I would anticipate that maybe I make around 1 million tokens a day at this rate. I'm not exactly sure, but 1 million tokens a day would be $1 a day, so $30 a month for my $50 investment, almost seeing 100% rate of return. That's crazy, actually. And if you were to buy more and more mercenaries as you go, then you can just increase your rate and continue to reinvest in order to be able to gain rewards. You can see just clicking collect each time, it just fills up back into my wallet, and I can use that however I want. Very cool, guys. Make sure you check it out down below in the description. Absolutely free to come and check it out. If you want to get involved, you can do some various tasks in order to earn some gems, and then you can start to reinvest the gems in order to participate in the games and things like that. Everything found in the link down below in the description. Make sure you go and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.